Hello to everyone and welcome again in our garage. Today we would like to tell you about the benefits of our larger and lower Footpegs from our portfolio. You can say Footpegs like a Footpegs, but here you can see on the first side the big difference in the surface of the Footpeg. Actually, the RG Footpegs are 50% larger than the OEM pegs. The bigger surface of the peg has one big benefit. It gives you better control over the motorbike when riding in stand. It's simple physics. When you have bigger pegs, it means you have bigger lever and it's easier for you to maneuver the motorbike and follow the trail you want. And moreover, the RG pegs has stainless steel cleats that gives you really good grip in muddy and slippery conditions. And regarding the cleats, for those who are suspicious that they are too sharp, they are. Yeah, but on the other hand, this is my boot after 5 years, yeah. So I rather have top grip, yeah, and I can still use the boot over 5 years and no problem with our pegs. The second benefit of the RG Footpegs, they are positioned 15 millimeters lower in comparison to the original pegs. It means more comfort when you are riding on the motorbike longer time, because your knee angle is more open, more relaxed, and it means more comfort when you ride with the RG Footpegs. The Footpegs are CNC milled on our machine here next door, and they are made from high-end aluminum alloy, specifically 6082 T9. For broader public, aerospace aluminum, yeah, and they have really high-end specs, so really great for this type of purpose. The peg has stainless steel gouge and also stainless steel removable cleats, guarantee the long life of the Footpeg. We are very proud of the final finishing because we really pay attention to every corner, every edge, every contour, so in the end it has really nice design look. You can select from our portfolio black, blue or orange anodization. For those who like the numbers, the pegs are 58 millimeters wide and 105 millimeters long. In summary, with RG Footpegs, you improve handling of your motorbike, you have more comfort for your legs on longer trips, and you get very nice finishing. So if you like it, please order on our e-shop.